What if you have books and you have a website and you want to imagine a world where you can sell those books through that website? Well, my friend, that world does exist, and today we're exploring it. Here's how to sell books through your own website. But first, why would you want to? There's a ton of stuff you can do with your website. Why would you use it to sell your books? Well, selling your books directly through your own website has several distinct advantages, including more control over when and how long your book is available for sale, white label packaging, so you can keep your publishing in print or your brand front and center, the ability to collect transactional data, meaning you can actually see who is buying your books and build out your email list. You can keep people on your website, so you don't have to work for years, days, or months to build your audience and then send them somewhere else to purchase your book. By selling directly through your own website, you can keep them on your site through the transaction and create more opportunities to build relationships and increase sales. Next up is inventory. When you sell direct, depending on what method you choose, you can automate the print and fulfillment of orders coming through your site, so you never have to worry about inventory. And last but not least is you can earn more revenue per sale. So selling direct means no middleman or distribution fees, meaning you get to keep more of that sweet, sweet revenue. So there's some pretty good reasons as to why you might want to sell your books through your website, but how will you do it? Well, as the title of this video suggests, you do need to have a website. So if you haven't got your website set up, there are a ton of platforms out there that can help you create a really beautiful site, including WordPress, Wix, or Shopify, just to name a few. So if you're not sure how to get started, be sure to check out our video on how to build an author website. Once you've got your site up and running, you've got a place to sell your books. There are a few ways for you to sell your books directly through your website, and the first would be ordering bulk copies of your book to hand fulfill orders as they come through. So obviously this is a bit more of a manual method, but it can provide some really great opportunities for customization, such as maybe a special edition or signed copies of the book, or even including bookmarks or stickers or pins to delight your readers. You could even add a thank you note and ask them to leave you a review. The second way to sell books directly through your website is by integrating with Lulu Direct. So right now we currently offer 2 integrations, one with Shopify and one with WooCommerce. And once you're integrated, you can automate the print and fulfillment of orders coming through your website, so you never have to worry about inventory or hosting packing parties. You can just have regular kind of parties. Once you've integrated with Lulu Direct, as orders come through your website, they are transmitted to us to print and fulfill and ship to your readers around the globe. And with white label packaging, no one even has to know we're involved. This is about you, not us. Last but not least, for those of you who are tech savvy or have a coder on staff, Lulu's Print API is a great option for you. We offer extensive documentation, so integrating with our API is simple and free, and you only have to pay to print and ship your books. Check out the links in the description below to order bulk copies, integrate with Lulu Direct, or learn more about our Print API. No matter which method you choose, integrating a direct sales option is a wonderful idea to grow your brand and your bank account. Which one's going to be right for you? Let us know in the comments below, and hit like, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.